In this lesson, I want to introduce a cautionary note for students when studying. We need to be careful when studying. Careful to test retrieval strength after a delay, preferably after sleep. And to see why, let's return to our the learning journey diagram. Let's imagine we have our first study session, so we're processing the information in our working memory system, and we're hoping to make some strong memory traces in the long-term memory system. Here's an interesting fact about this short-term working memory system, that recent information processed in working memory remains more easily accessible for a short period of time. Now, we're going to call this the working memory boost, and it's thought to be the result of a temporary increase in synapse strength, making information more easily accessible. So whatever brain cells are being activated by the learning event, those neurons enjoy temporary strengthening of synapses, but it's temporary. But that effect makes the information easily accessible for a short time right after studying. Now, notice, because it's our first study session, we only have weak memory traces in the cortex. So we get this effect of having easy retrieval for the information, even though we have weak cortical memory traces, and we have to be careful about that. So when studying, we must be aware that easy retrieval could be the working memory boost and not strong memories in the long-term memory system. So here is the problem stated another way. Whenever we're doing retrieval practice, successful retrieval could either be due to the working memory boost, because we were just recently studying the information, or it could be because we have legitimately strong memory traces in the long-term system. But we don't know, because if we're doing retrieval practice during a study session, we are setting ourselves up for this condition up here, that the successful retrieval is due to the working memory boost. So how can we figure this out? We want to know whether successful retrieval is due to the boost or strong long-term memories. What you do is you take a break. You self-test after a delay. So if you self-test after a delay, then you're letting the working memory boost disappear, to decrease. That temporary, easy access to the information will diminish. And then when you're doing retrieval practice, you are testing the strength of the long-term memories. That's what we want. So retrieval practice after a delay, preferably after sleep, that's when we're able to get a glimpse of the strength of our memory traces in the long-term memory system. So the take-home message is we want to use retrieval practice after a delay, preferably sleep, so that we are assessing the strength of the long-term memories.